맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hi everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I cook Chinese Gedatang. Geda means little round one. Tang Chinese means soup. So I use today this chicken I use. But if you don't have chicken and only have a vegetable, no problem. Vegetarian also no problem. You put vegetable with oil fried and then just make a soup and then you make a Gedatang. Now I will introduce ingredients for soup. Chicken leg. I use chicken leg and only soup is this one, and then first I boiled about 40 minutes after boil, and then we will take out the bone, and with this we make a soup. And this is for sauce. This you know this one, green paprika. I grow this. Now they start red, very success. And garlic and green onion. This is we need for sauce. Let's start to make. First we put water here. Yes. And we boil this about 40 or 50 minutes. Look at this, look at, she is very much nice dog, Lily, because when we setting this table, she always want to come here and then waiting for this camera. It's nice, huh? Okay. Lily wants to go up. She likes to stay here because I know her, because you want to eating side dish. Lily, no have side dish now, okay? No. Lily,吃吧, Lily, You know, after this, I always wash my hand because one of my friends said after I touched my Lily and then they are worried I didn't wash my hand, but I'm very much a clean woman. Ready, already 40 minutes. We take out this chicken leg, take out. Nice. When you boil, you can see this one. When you see this bone, and that time already cooked. If you're vegetarian, and then only you can use a vegetable. Now we take out skin from bone. Nice, fantastic smell. Okay, from now I will show you how to make a Gedatang. Just a little. I learned this one from my Chinese friend. Yes, Gedatang. Little, you put the water, little, just a little. Geda means small round one. We make a dough now. One more, put a little bit. You know, this Chinese people, if stomach is uncomfortable, that time they eating this Gedatang, they say it is very comfortable for stomach. After eating, very nice feeling. Yes, gada. You can find this one. And we put here like this, here. Okay. Okay, let's put some salt. And then from now we put gada. Yes. Nice. We put all here. Gedatang. Chinese Gedatang. Nice. So nice. Nice boil. Nicely. It's very good for stomach. Really different. Korean people, if they have some stomach problem, they don't eat in this kinds of cake, flour. But Chinese people, if they have a stomach some problem, they eating noodle or this kinds of gedatang. They said that this gedatang is very good for stomach, and after eating, very comfortable this stomach. Ready. Very nice. Nice. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Very nice. So nice. Wow. Let's make a sauce. Onion is so hot. Oh, very hot. Garlic. Korean speaking 청양고추. Nice. Will be very hot. Red one. Already start red now. Means autumn is coming. First we put the soybean sauce. No need to put many. Yes, this much. And sesame oil. If you don't have a sesame oil, no need to put, no problem. And a little bit, just a little, 1 spoon paprika, and sesame seed, 2 spoons sesame seed, and a little, small 1 spoon sugar. And we mix. Smell very nice. Always this sesame oil smell is really fantastic. Ready. Nice. This is sauce. Nice gedatang.